Hello friends, in today's video, we will see how to register as a supplier with the World Bank Group. We will go through the step-by-step registration procedure so you can complete it without any confusion. If you want to check the World Bank vendor eligibility criteria, you can click on the I button to watch that video. You can also find the link in the description below. But first, please watch this video completely. So, let's get started. First, type in Google World Bank Group Supplier Registration. You will see Potential Vendor Registry. Click on it. Next, click on the WBG e-Procure portal. Here, you will find Supplier Self-Registration (SSR). Click on the next button. Now, you have to complete the company information section. Enter your company name, address, city, postal code, then select your country and state or province. Provide your phone, company email, select your currency, mention your website, and then fill in the contact information. Once everything is completed, click on Next. After completing the company information, the system will open the category assistant. Select the category group that best describes the goods or services your company provides and then click Next. Here, you need to upload relevant certifications and documentation that will help the World Bank Group evaluate your application. Click on New. Now, select the certificate types and click on the plus icon. Next, click on Upload and upload your incorporation certificate. You can see the uploaded file displayed here. Once the upload is completed, click on Close and then click Next. Here, you have to select the company entity type and enter the date of establishment. Next, you have to select the categories. After selecting the category, click on Apply. You can see the selected category displayed here. Now, enter your company owner, officer, or director name and designation. Here, you need to click Yes or No according to your company details. Next, you have to provide the financial information of your company. You will see a question. Has your firm, organization, or any of your subcontractor been terminated for non-performance on a contract in the last 5 years? If you mark Yes, then you may not be able to participate in bidding in the World Bank Group. So, click No and then click Next again. Another question appears. Is your company considered a diverse owned business as defined above? Select Yes or No based on your company. Then, you have to fill the details of the third-party certification and upload that certificate. Once everything is completed, click on Next. Here, you have to click on the Accept and Submit button. You can see that our vendor registration process has been successfully completed. Now, check your email. You will receive 3 emails. The first email confirms that your details have been recorded. The second email contains your temporary password. The third email is the confirmation of submission. So, this is the complete process of World Bank Group vendor registration. After the final verification, the World Bank Group may approve your vendor account for the bidding process if everything is perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this Tendersontime YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.